Oh, we are at the side of the castle at the moment, near the front field, and we cleared out what we thought was just the drainage kind of.
It was very overgrown, extremely like brambles. We couldn't even see it. So
Well,
this is bramble that covers the entire ditch. Underneath this is a 4-foot ditch. You can't tell, and it's actually covering a small little wall that blocks the view. But I want to show you what it looks like when this is all cleaned up.
well, what it actually is, if I get it right, it's called a ha-ha. And no, yes, I mean, I don't know why it's called a ha-ha, really. Somebody has to look it up. The ha-ha,
Maybe
very
it was funny when they built it.
Exactly. So
His joke, not
it's
mine. So the ha-ha is a French origin and was first used in the print of someone's book. I don't want to butcher his name. 1709 book Theory and Practice of Gardening, in which he explains that the name derives from the exclamation of surprise that viewers would make on recognizing the optical illusion.
Ha ha.
Wow.
Oh no, you have to do it French.
It was
ha ha.
It was 1709. There wasn't a lot. There wasn't a lot of surprises going on in 1709.
You go like ha ha.
That's so funny. I've never heard of that ever.
The ha-ha basically was built to create a barrier without obstructing a view. So when you stand on one side of it and you look over, you don't even know it's there. And so this is what we have here. When you look in there, we didn't even know that there was a beautiful wall in there. So we cleared it all out, and we're just going to put grass and a couple of flowers on the banks. But Colin had an amazing idea what we actually want to put on the ground, because we're obviously not getting rid of it. So...
I mean, ideally, I want water features everywhere. It's not realistic. Because I do want it to be a moat, but we're gonna put, an idea was to put river stones along the bottom and create kind of like a false river through river stones. You kind of sometimes see it in Zen gardens and people's backyards. It's just a really pretty idea, kind of emanates water, and then we'll put some grass and some flowers here. But I think when you drive up over there, you'll see a bunch of flowers, and when you look down, because you can't see it from the
No, you can't.
driveway, you only can really see it from this angle.
So anyway,
We'll see how that works.
Yet
but
another feature that we found.